Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download apps and games to your Windows PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. The process is very easy and simple. Very first of all, you just need to connect the internet or Wi-Fi to your PC, and then on the taskbar you can see they have a Microsoft Store. Here you can see. Just open it. So after open it, here you can see a lot of games showing here and a lot of free apps you can see. Which apps you want, you just open it and you can see every apps: iTunes, WhatsApp, Netflix, uh, uh, Spotify, TikTok, everything showing here. If you don't find there, just go to search bar and search your desired apps and you can easily install. How can you install this? I'll just show you example. Just open your app and here you can see it's loading. After open your app, there have a option get. Just click on get. If you just click on get, then it's automatically download and install to your PC or laptop. Don't need to do anything, just click on get. That's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.